Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to delete Mazmatch account. First we go to our app, and then after that in the lower part of your screen we can see this marriage, explorer, chat, and then the menu. So we go to the menu and then we keep on scrolling like that. So we can see the settings, we click this, and then we can see our personal information, the notification, the app settings, the privacy, and then the manage account. So in here we can see the reset marriage profile or deactivate or delete your account. So all we gotta do is we press this delete account and then state our reason on why we are going to delete this account. So for example, let's say we're taking a break and we press this continue, and then we're gonna tell us more on why. So for example, we straight that not interested anymore. So continue and then delete account and then continue. Press continue and then yeah, you have deleted your account. That's it.